Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush, Discover Boss, here with you with another update. We're back in New Kingston at the Kensington gate. I'm just showing you guys around, just giving you guys an update. Still haven't been finished yet, but we see windows are in, doors are in, um, balcony grills are in, the color scheme is taking place. So first of all, if you're new to the channel guys, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. So just turn that red subscribe button gray. Please leave a comment in terms of what you think about this property, the location, we're in New Kingston, and everything. Remember to like the video and share as well. The more likes you give, the more time you share, it will help the channel to grow as well, so we can reach our 6,000 mark by September 1st or before. So this is Kensington Gate, New Kingston. Just showing you guys an update in terms of what's happening with the project. I'll show you guys a side view as well. They have a rooftop pool. They have underground parking. Every apartment has a balcony. They have concierge, lobby, lots of different amenities. Underground parking, I think I said that already. So great location. And again, I'm sure you guys will leave your comments as well. So a few of these apartments are on the same pace of completion. For example, Ruthven I think is on the same pace. This is on the same pace of completion as well. And a few others. Parker's one. They're all almost finished. So yeah. So let me know what you think guys. Alright, and it's right across from the NCB towers. Let me cross the road and show you guys. Alright, and I think what I'll do as well is when I'm finished showing around, I'll probably just drive a little bit around this community and then probably drive back to Crossroad with you guys as well. So that's the NCB towers. It's an office building, office complex. Alright, so what you guys think about the color? What you guys think about the design? Let me know. So financed by Jamaica Mortgage Bank. So 44 luxury apartments, Kensington Gate, iLife. Pool, gym, lounge, water tank, generator, security. So quite a few gated apartments already on this road in this area. So this will be a great addition as well. So this is a side view. Tiffany Manor. So I think it's 8 floors. They'll have a rooftop recreational area, as you can see. Also a rooftop pool. Very unique color. It's kind of very light blue, bluish grayish. So very unique color choice. I know there are barrier around it, so you can't get to see the full color, but it's kind of light blue grayish. Alright guys, so leave your thoughts, leave your comments. Kensington Gate on Kensington Crescent. And I'll do a little drive around the area, just to show you guys the other complexes on this road. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so as promised, I'm just gonna drive around the area for you guys. So Kensington Gate on Kensington Crescent. So that's Casa de Bavon on the left, so quite a few gated communities as I mentioned. Some other nice apartment complex. Kensington Court on the left. Then this is the Kensington Apartments on the left again. So most of Kensington Crescent is basically apartment complexes and a few commercial businesses. There's a very broken down house on the right. I'm sure that, you know, you're probably just banking that piece of land, so when the prices are very high. Kensington Manor on the left, Kensington's on the right. Yeah, so for the rundown property, I'm sure they'll be selling it in the future and persons are just waiting to buy it and develop it. But almost every lot we have passed is an apartment. Kensington Palms on the left. So yeah, this is a very upscale community, Kensington. Another apartment complex on my right. So it's Kensington Place. We'll turn back and just go back down the same road that we came up on, just to show you guys from a different angle. So this one in front of me, I have underground parking. Alright, so thanks for watching as usual guys. Thanks for staying tuned. Remember to leave your comments on the Kensington Gate. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do, which I usually do, I'm gonna drive into the gate of this rundown property just to show you guys real quickly. There's no one coming. Not sure if you can see much. Let me just turn the camera a little bit. Alright, so that's the rundown property. A lot of valley right there. What you guys think? Share your comments. usually what we usually see is that the roads in these upscale community and these new development, they definitely need a lot of improvement, you know, from pothole to bumps. And I think one of the subscribers suggested that, you know, whenever there's a new development, they should be responsible by government regulations to, you know, fix the entire roadway in the area, you know, at least in front of the building. You know, 100 meters to the left, 100 meters to the right, or however they figure it out, because at least if they do that, you know, then it works out better for everybody. Alright, so let me know what you guys think about that as well. You know, if it's practical, if it's something that, you know, the stakeholders in charge could look at. So we're now on Oxford Road. Heading in the direction of Emancipation Park. I'll just finish off the video at Emancipation Park. They're closed because of COVID, but parks will be opening up soon. So when you see this video, I don't remember the dates when park and other places of amusement will be open, but when you see this video, they may already be open or be open. So Oxford Road, coming from Kensington Gate. And I'll also put the first video I did on Kensington Gate in the comment section as well. So as usual, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for your support, thanks for subscribing, for liking, for sharing, for donating. You know, much appreciated. Alright, so that's Emancipation Park on the right.